How you doing? I'm Larry Mack. I'm here at the Bullfrog Spa Factory location, the one in Oracle and Wetmore, northwest corner. There's also one on Broadway. I'm here with Ryan, the manager of this Bullfrog Spa location, and there is a huge Labor Day sale going on now through September 2nd, right?
Correct, Larry. We're actually running a Labor Day sale until September 2nd where we're offering $5,000 off MSRP on all of our spa models. We're throwing in a free water care accessory, so that can include ozone or a dedicated filtration pump. And then we're also doing promotional financing through Wells Fargo, which could involve 48 months of 0% financing. So a lot of cool incentives right now to kind of get a spa right before the cooler months of the year.
Now, obviously, you have your location on Broadway, but this location's on the northwest corner of Oracle and Wetmore.
Correct.
Literally right across the street from Tucson Mall.
That is correct. Yeah, we're on Wetmore, Oracle. We're in the same parking lot as a Ross, Verizon, and I believe right across the street from Tucson Mall. So hard to miss us. Yeah, stop on by.
And what are your hours?
So our hours are 10 to 6, Monday through Saturday. On Sunday, we're open 11 to 5.
All right, and then the website, and this is the cool, it's bullfrogspas.com.
Correct.
And people can actually go there and kind of design their own spa?
Yeah, it's really cool. Go ahead and go on there, design your own spa. I will say that MSRP prices are going to be a little more on the website. Since we are a factory store, we actually get some more discounts on some of the spas than as if a dealer would.
Okay, so definitely come into the store. And you can actually try it out. We're going to try one out here in a moment,
Yes,
too, right?
we will. Absolutely.
Well, let's go show them some of the spas here.
All right.
And these are the spas right here at the store right now, and you guys are always getting new inventory in, right?
Yeah, inventory is always rotating. We have just about every model in the showroom at the moment. There are tons of trims to pick from, different colors that you can customize. The jet packs obviously are kind of what set us apart from other normal spa brands. So tons of stuff that you can see and choose from here at the store.
Well, let's walk around. This is like, I would consider this a bigger of the smaller size models, right?
This is a very typical size. This is 7.4 by 7.4. This is good for seating 5 comfortably. And as you see, it's got 5 jet packs. So yes, this would be our A7L model. Very typical choice right here.
Okay, we're going to talk about the jet packs here in just a moment, because that's one thing that sets Bullfrog Spas apart from the other companies out there. But as we walk by our KLPX booth right now, this thing is called a swim spa, and we're going to show one in just a second. But I'm going to stand next to it. Let's go stand next to this thing. Look at how high this is. You can swim in this, right?
Yes, so this has jets in the front that you can set between variable speeds of 5. It's meant for swimming, getting performance. Obviously afterwards, after a nice little exercise, you have the lounge chair where you can relax in. Goes up from 80 degrees to 104. So really trying to get a lot of use out of your pool and spa. Combines best of both worlds.
And it's a lot cheaper than putting in a pool in your backyard.
Yeah, it has got to be about 1/3 of the price right now, at least.
And when you move,
yeah,
you can take
something
it with
you can take with you, exactly.
Okay, now here's one with a roof.
Yes, this is an awesome upgraded accessory. This is called the Covana Cover Lifter. This is automated, so this is something where you can actually take down and put back up, and it acts as a cover. This is something that every customer just loves to see on their spa.
Well, here's the one thing I want to show too, that there's a great safety feature.
Yes.
Because what if somebody gets in here and gets trapped, right? Look at that.
That would be extremely unfortunate, but
it has an escape hatch.
Yes.
That is awesome. I mean, you guys think of everything.
Yeah.
That's what I love about it. This is just everything. So let's kind of walk around here. You can see the inventory they have here right now. Again, northwest corner of Oracle and Wetmore, across from Tucson Mall, the Bullfrog Spa Factory location. We're speaking with Ryan right now. And in a couple of minutes, we're going to visit with TJ.
Yes.
And I'm actually going to dip my feet in one of these things. I wish I could do everything, but you know, I'm kind of busy today. But I'm getting one of these. So what's this over here?
Yeah, so this is our water. We have all the chemicals that you would ever need for taking care of your spa or your swim spa. We've got everything from pH to alkalinity balancers. We've got our shocks. And then we've also got some of our cartridges that help because they are built into the system of our spas, which make it really easy and convenient to take care of a spa. You just go ahead and change out these cartridges once a month. They have a dial at the bottom which dissolves the chemicals in there for you. No more hassle of, you know, measuring out.
So am I wrong in assuming that Bullfrog Spas, they want to make this as simple as possible?
Yeah, you really want to enjoy something like a spa. You don't want to have to create extra work for yourself. So that's where we're getting with everything.
Now let's get to the
meat and potato.
The bread and butter here. The thing about is these jet packs.
Yes.
And so we're walking over here, and oh, by the way, this is very important. We're going to do this in just a second. when you visit this location, and I believe at the Broadway location too, you can actually get in the water and check it out and see which one that you like.
Yeah, there's 16 different jetpacks for all of these models. It's an investment in your well-being, and it's for you. You're personalizing it for yourself. So we have a lot of different jetpacks for different targeted areas, different intensities, the gallons per minute that they're shooting out. And it's much easier that you actually come in. I know it's kind of strange with a bathing suit in a store, but try these out yourself, get a feel for it. That's what we always recommend.
And these are all the different variations of it, right?
And yes, this would be for our A series, and then we've got another 16 for our M series and swim spas.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
This is crazy. And again, this sale is going on through September 2nd, the day after Labor Day.
Correct.
And get more details at bullfrogspas.com, or just come down here.
Please, yes, just come down and see us.
Oracle and Wetmore, across from Tucson Mall. Get some shopping done. Come here, get more shopping done.
Yes.
And this is the shopping when you come here that you'll get to enjoy forever.
Yeah, this is an investment in your well-being. I mean, this is incredible, you guys. Please come down and see us. We'll take care of you.
And you can design which ones you want too. That's the cool part.
Absolutely. This is going to be built within the spa that you order. So hitting those targeted areas, like I said, some of these are doing figure eights, which is simulating kneading the knots out of the back.
Oh, wow.
Some of these are neck and shoulder. This is a huge fan favorite here.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I can see that. You can then tuck under it.
Exactly, hitting down on those neck and shoulders. I mean, this is a huge one for myself. The stress of, I've got a couple of kids. I love to just kind of get something on the shoulders after a day's work, but yeah, come on down and we'll go over all these with you.
So we were just talking about it, that you can go into the water.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go into, this is a swim spa, right?
Correct.
All right, we're gonna go visit TJ right now. Again, Bullfrog Spa's huge Labor Day sale going on through September 2nd. This location is at Oracle and Wetmore, northwest corner, across from Tucson Mall. We already told you the hours, but you just gotta come on down. So I'm gonna get in here with TJ. Please do. And here we go. All right. Oh, wow. On the feet even. Oh, yeah. All right. So, TJ, tell us a little bit about this one. It's a swim spa, right?
Yeah, this is the S150. This one boasts a whole lot of different features. It can turn into a gym. It's family entertainment, seating all around. You got, 4 designated jet packs that you can get your hydro massage on, as well as swim in place, which is always awesome. And you also can do a, zero gravity hammock.
Oh, wow.
As well as resistance bands that go across each one.
Now with this, can you pick which ones? I went over this a little bit ago with Ryan, but can you pick different ones for each corner of the jetpack, or do they all come with the same?
Well, if it's a flash sale, then you're gonna get the jetpacks that are in here, standard, whichever ones they are. But if you do manufacture, you're gonna get your pick of 16 different ones that will.
So you could have one corner being the shoulders, one corner hits. You could just design what you want.
Yep. And you can move them around too, so nobody has to fight over a certain massage.
Oh yeah, because can you show us how easy they are to move?
Yeah, they're pretty versatile.
Okay. All right. Check this out. We're here with TJ at Bullfrog Spa Factory location, and we're at their location on Oracle and Wetmore. Their sale is going on now through September 2nd, huge Labor Day sale. Check out how easy that is.
Yeah, pops right out, super buoyant, gives you a nice float, and you can swap them out however you'd like. And right back here, I don't know if you can see it through the water, but that's our Froggy's chlorinated and mineral system.
Oh wow,
With
okay.
their filter as well. So it's super easy to pop those off and change out whatever you might need.
Now, am I here? Is there a radio built into this thing?
Oh, there is.
Oh, wow.
It is quite a radio, actually. You can hear it all the way on the other side of the showroom. The speakers are actually inside the cabin. So you're not going to see any speakers exposed.
Now, is it just the swim spas that come with that, or can you get upgrades on some of the smaller models as well like
You can
that?
absolutely put the audio in all the other lines.
That's
all of those spots.
Wow. Do you guys, I'm just looking over here, do you sell furniture too?
Oh, yes, we do. We have a few things in our showroom. Kind of placed all around. Right now, we got our shoes and personal effects over here. Yeah, we have a couple of sofas. We even have a fireplace where you can gather around and socialize with your friends. This is pretty awesome.
So tell us a little bit one more time. I talked about it with Ryan just a few minutes ago, but tell us your hours again.
Oh, so we're Monday through Saturday. We're going to be 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. And on Sunday, we're going to be 11 a.m. to 5
All right,
p.m.
so come on down, say hi to TJ, say hi to Ryan, and get yourself a great deal. And you can design your own spa.
100%.
That's fantastic. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it.
It's been wonderful.
Let's go chill
for
out. Let's
coming
get a
back.
margarita, okay?
Please, I'll take a mocktail.
Okay, we'll do a mocktail. You know what? We'll both do a mocktail, kick back, and maybe put on a game.
That's what's up.
All right.
All right.
All right, Larry Mack here at Bullfrog Spas. Get more details at bullfrogspas.com. And don't forget their huge Labor Day sale going on through September 2nd.